Want extra cash? Who doesn't? Side hustles are the answer, but not just any side hustle, you need the right one that fits. Think about your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy? Now think about what people need. Where's the demand? The perfect side hustle ticks all the boxes. It matches your skills, it's in demand, and it can grow with you. That's the key: scalability. You want a side hustle that can bring in passive income. Income while you sleep. That's financial freedom. The year is 2025. The gig economy is booming, opportunities are everywhere. But some gigs are better than others. Let's look at the best side hustles in 2025. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products, earn commissions on every sale. It's like being a digital salesperson. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. AI-powered freelancing AI is your new best friend. Use it to write content, design graphics, even code. Offer these services to clients. Work from anywhere, set your own hours, e-commerce, and print on demand. Sell your own products without the hassle. Design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, anything. Use print-on-demand services. They handle production and shipping. You focus on the sales. YouTube automation. Create videos without ever showing your face. Use AI tools to generate content, voiceovers, and even entire videos. Monetize with ads and watch the passive income roll in. So many options, right? It's exciting, isn't it? But don't get overwhelmed. Take a moment. Think about each side hustle. Which one speaks to you? Maybe you're a natural storyteller drawn to YouTube automation, or perhaps you love connecting with people, making affiliate marketing a perfect fit. There's no right or wrong answer. The best side hustle is the one that excites you, the one you'll be passionate about. Tell me, which side hustle piques your interest? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Section 4. Affiliate marketing, your shortcut to success. Let's dive deeper into affiliate marketing. It's one of the easiest and most scalable side hustles out there. Here's how it works. First, find a program. Choose a niche you're passionate about and join a high-paying affiliate program. There are tons of options like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Second, create content. Write blog posts, record videos, or start a social media account. Use AI tools to speed up the process. Focus on providing value and recommending products you believe in. Third, drive traffic. Get your content in front of the right people. Use SEO, social media marketing, or paid advertising. The more traffic you drive, the more potential customers you reach. It's that simple, but don't underestimate its power. Take Sarah, for example. She started an affiliate marketing blog about sustainable living. Within a year, she was earning a full-time income from her side hustle, all while working from home. Section 5. Effortless scaling, the beauty of automation. Remember scalability? That's where the real magic happens. Once your side hustle is generating income, it's time to automate and scale. Content creation AI tools are your secret weapon. Use them to generate blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts. Imagine creating weeks' worth of content in just hours. Outsource tasks. As your income grows, delegate tasks to freelancers. Hire virtual assistants for administrative work, writers for content creation, or social media managers to handle your accounts. Email marketing. Build an email list from day one. Offer valuable content in exchange for email addresses. Use email marketing to nurture relationships with your audience and promote affiliate products. By automating and scaling your side hustle, you create a system that works for you, even when you're not working. That's true passive income. Section 6. Ready to break free? Imagine this: waking up without an alarm clock, working from anywhere in the world, spending more time with loved ones. This is the power of a successful side hustle. It's not a pipe dream, it's achievable. You have the potential to create a life of freedom and flexibility. All it takes is the right mindset, the right side hustle, and the willingness to put in the work. Are you ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind? Are you ready to take control of your financial future? The choice is yours. Section 7. Take action now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no such thing. The best time to start your side hustle is right now. Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies on building a successful side hustle. Download, grab my free guide, The Ultimate Side Hustle Starter Kit, for a step-by-step blueprint to launching your own profitable venture. Connect. Join my community of entrepreneurs and side hustlers. Share your journey, get inspired, and learn from others who are on the same path. The world of side hustles awaits. Take the first step today and unlock your full earning potential.